I don't know how much they were spending on that reconstruction.
Well, they said earlier when I was watching the one on YouTube.
Well, I was watching it waiting for my ride to the hospital this morning.
Yeah. I think I was watching CNN, not MSNBC.
It was a tragedy.
Yeah, it is a tragedy. It's terrible.
Yeah.
Think of all we've lost.
I mean, just the artistic beauty
The
alone.
structure itself.
The
Look
sheer.
at that beautiful glass in the front.
Yeah. Oh, look at the flame coming out that rose window. Oh, yeah. They were able to save that.
Barely.
No, they weren't. The fire was coming out where the glass should have been. Bye-bye, window.
What I meant was they barely were able to save anything.
Yeah.
They only got a handful of things out that they mentioned.
It looks like the priest and the nuns just grabbed everything valuable and ran for where the fire wasn't.
Out the street, in the direction of no flame.
You know?
Yeah, it looks horrible.
I mean, the room where they had the treasures in could have been an apartment across the street. Someone, referring to the priest, says, "Hey, can we bring some stuff over?"
Yeah, really.
It's horrible.
Artifacts in there we lost and we'll never be able to replace, but like you said,
Yeah.
Civilization is about building, rebuilding, and rebuilding again.
Yeah, they were talking about that spire that collapsed. People didn't like it because whoever it was that had it built
All those hand
in the 1800s.
gargoyles that were around the top of it.
Well, they took a lot of those down already. Yeah, they took a lot of them away.
Thank God.
I think they were doing a lot of repointing and even recutting whole pieces of stone.
Good.
That
was hand carved.
I imagine they had
art.
gargoyles in the shop on the bench next to a block of limestone and master craftsmen going chip, 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 chip.
Trying to duplicate. Look at that. It's so sad.
Yeah.
And what did President Trump tell us?
Well, don't mention politicians.
Well.
We don't talk about politics, dear.
Sorry. It just irritated me with his big speech. It's burning. Wow. No shit, really. Pardon my French.
No.
But didn't need him to tell me. But look at that. So much more of it burnt than I thought.
Yeah.
But when you mentioned that the wood was going and it would make it unstable, I'll wait to see the rest of it go to the ground by the time it's through burning.
Well, the roof's all down.
Yeah, I know. I'm talking about the walls on the sides.
Well, the stone
will
most likely not fall.
Well, they said it would.
Some will.
If the wood burns all the way.
I imagine the areas where they got the flying buttresses will be really weak without the wood inside pushing against them. They could.
And you're having strong winds. That's what fed the fire to the other side of it anyway. It made the bell towers go.
I hope they don't do a glass and stainless steel like that little pyramid in the courtyard at the Louvre.
Oh God!
Oh,
that's ugly.
Yeah, I'd have rebuilt the Tweetery.
I'd have duplicated the architecture all the way.
No, I'd have rebuilt the Tweetery. It had a nice garden with flowers in the Tweetery garden.
Tweetery?
Okay, during the Revolution, the Tweetery was the end of the Louvre that's gone now.
Yeah.
During the Revolution, they burnt it down because of let them eat cake. Anyway, that's where the king banished the queen to, so she didn't have to hear him talk about politics and he didn't have to listen to the girl stuff.
Yeah.
And she's basically weaving tweed. That's why I call it the Tweetery. Her and her ladies in waiting, they'd be tapestrying and, talking about what pigs the men are,
As I recall, there was some nice tapestries in there too.
Anyway.
Probably went up in flames first.
During the Revolution, they burned that down and never got rebuilt. I'd have rebuilt that, and a nice garden instead of that glass pyramid.
For some reason, I thought that was something I'd never see.
What?
Notre Dame burn while I was alive.
Yeah, I never imagined that.
Other things I could imagine, but that never.
Yeah.
How long before something hits the Sistine Chapel?